Today we are going to study respiration in plants. Question 1. What is plant respiration? Answer. Plant respiration is a metabolic process in which plants consume oxygen and produce carbon dioxide and energy from sugars. Question 2. What are the main products of the plant respiration? Answer. The main products are carbon dioxide, water and energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Question 3. What are the three stages of cellular respiration? Answer. The three stages are glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, citric acid cycle and oxidative phosphorylation. Question 4. Where does glycolysis occur in plant cells? Answer. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm of plant cells. Question 5. What happens during glycolysis? Answer. During glycolysis, glucose is broken down into two molecules of pyruvate producing ATP and NADH in the process. Question 6. What is the Krebs cycle and where does it take place? Answer. The Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle, is a series of chemical reactions that generate energy through the oxidation of acetyl coenzyme A derived from carbohydrates, fats and proteins. It takes place in the mitochondria. Question 7. What are the main outputs of the Krebs cycle? Answer. The main outputs are ATP, NADH, FADH2 and carbon dioxide. Question 8. What is oxidative phosphorylation and where does it occur? Answer. Oxidative phosphorylation is the process by which ATP is formed as a result of the transfer of electrons from NADH or FADH2 to O2 by a series of electron carriers. It occurs in the mitochondria. Question 9. What role does oxygen play in plant respiration? Answer. Oxygen acts as the final electron acceptor in the electron transport chain during oxidative phosphorylation, allowing for the production of ATP. Question 10. What is the difference between respiration and photosynthesis in plants? Answer. Respiration involves the breakdown of glucose to release energy, while photosynthesis is the process of converting light energy into glucose. Question 11. How does plants obtain the glucose used in respiration? Answer. Plants produce glucose through photosynthesis and can also store it in the form of starch. Answer 12. What is anaerobic respiration in plants? Answer. Anaerobic respiration occurs when oxygen is not available. Plants break down glucose into energy, producing ethanol and carbon dioxide as byproducts. Question 13. Where can anaerobic respiration occur in plants? Answer. It commonly occurs in waterlogged roots and during the ripening of fruits. Question 14. How is energy stored and used in plant cells? Answer. Energy from respiration is stored as ATP, which is used for various cellular processes such as growth, reproduction and maintenance. Question 15. What is the chemical equation for plant respiration? Answer. C6H12O6 plus 6O2 equals to 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy in the form of ATP. Question 16. What byproducts are released during plant respiration? Answer. Carbon dioxide and water are the primary byproducts. Question 17. How does temperature affect plant respiration? Answer. Generally, respiration rates increase with temperature up to a point before enzymes begin to denature, reducing efficiency. Question 18. Why is plant respiration considered a catabolic process? Answer. It involves the breakdown of larger molecule glucose into smaller ones, releasing energy in the process. Question 19. Can plants respire without light? Answer. Yes, respiration occurs both day and night. As it does not require light, unlike photosynthesis. Question 20. What is the significance of the ATP produced during respiration? Answer. ATP serves as the primary energy currency of the cell, driving various biological processes.